Hey everyone, welcome to the Putt-Putt project. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of everything included in your kit. First up is the MicroBit and all its accessories. The MicroBit is what we're going to program to control different motors and add different buttons. It also comes with a battery and a battery pack for powering it, so you don't have to leave it plugged in your computer. And it also comes with a USB cord. And this is a way to connect it to a computer or Chromebook to transfer our programs to the MicroBit. There are also two servo motors. The motor on the left is a continuous rotation servo, which means it rotates 360 degrees, and the one on the right is a positional servo, and it moves from 0 to 180 degrees. We also have 4 alligator clips with leads. These are used to connect the servo to your MicroBit. And there are 4 standard alligator clips with copper tape. We'll use these to kind of create buttons that we can use to control our project. Also include a hot glue gun with hot glue. And these come in handy as you're constructing your project out of cardboard and other recycled materials. You'll find a roll of blue tape and 5 zip ties, which you can also use to help build your project. We also included a cardboard saw, which can be really helpful for cutting long lengths of cardboard and for poking holes. And finally, we also included a length of PVC pipe, which you can use to make your own putter, as well as a golf ball. Feel free to use any tools or materials you have at home as well. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you come up with using the Putt-Putt kit.